Day 2 of trying to catch a fish in the snow. The creek is mostly frozen. Crack a hole in the ice with a rock. I'm trying to see if I can catch something through there. That's a good thickness. Cold where? Doesn't exist. My goal today was to catch a fish in the snow. You can see what this looked like over here, but that has proven to be pretty hard. I haven't had any luck, but I'm still out here. I'm dry, I'm warm. These waders are definitely a game changer. Really appreciate 2Day for sending these to me. I wouldn't be able to be out here without them. Perfect grip, non-slip, stay warm, insulated. I couldn't ask for a better pair of waders.